This is Subash. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add any type of music on our Facebook page. While posting video, while posting photo, we can easily add music on Facebook. So in this video, we're going to show you from begin to last and step wise. So please watch our video without skipping and don't miss any step to do that one. So please, I am going to share my mobile screen. So firstly, we need to press on Facebook. So we need to create post. Then after creation create post, we need to select a photo that wanna post. If I wanna post this photo, then after I will press here. After pressing here, we need to click on photo that is showing here. I'll press here. After pressing there, you can see here music option. You need to press on music option. Then after from here, you can use each and every type of music. Then you can use here. Suppose I want to play this music. Then I press on drum option. Then after I will bring the music here. That will be high. Then I press on drum option. After pressing done option, the music has been added and you can write anything like what you want to write. After completing everything, then I will press on next option. Then press on share option. So now you can see here the music has been added on our uploaded post. So this is the way to add music on Facebook post. So now hope you all guys know about how to add music on Facebook post. So I think this video is really helpful for you all, and now you understand how to add a music on Facebook post. So thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel and hit bell icon that help you to when we uploaded any video that will be get a notification on your YouTube. Then after you really enjoy with our video, then after you get a more knowledge from our video. Thank you for watching our video.